The vast oceans hide countless secrets, and beneath the icy expanse of Antarctica, a world has been waiting to be discovered. But some of these secrets are so elusive, they vanish without a trace. This is the story of Ran, an unmanned submarine sent on a daring mission to explore one of Earth's most remote and mysterious places. What it found beneath the Dotson ice shelf would change our understanding of glacial science forever. But its final journey was far from what anyone expected. In 2019, a team of researchers from the University of Gothenburg sent Ran to explore the underside of the Dotson ice shelf, a massive body of floating ice in West Antarctica. The Dotson is no ordinary ice shelf. It's a key player in a fragile, interconnected system that holds the fate of global sea levels in its hands. But this mission wasn't just about gathering data, it was about uncovering secrets that have been hidden for millions of years. Using advanced sonar technology, Ran surveyed over 1,000 kilometers of the ice shelf cavity. For 27 straight days, it mapped the ice like a robotic pioneer, venturing deep beneath the glacier, up to 17 kilometers into the ice. And what it discovered was nothing short of astonishing. The data revealed intricate, teardrop-shaped patterns on the underside of the ice, features no one had ever seen before. There were towering peaks, deep valleys, and even formations that looked like sand dunes frozen in time. Some of these formations were so large they stretched for over 1,300 feet, about the length of 4 football fields. Scientists had long speculated about how these structures could form, and Ran's exploration provided the answers. It turns out that the patterns are created by swirling ocean currents flowing beneath the ice. And those currents are shaped by a mysterious force, the Earth's rotation. When warm ocean water sneaks in under the ice, it melts the underside of the glacier. But rather than just smoothing out the ice, the water forms these fascinating shapes, creating a kind of natural artwork. This process is influenced by the Coriolis effect, the same force that makes wind currents bend in a spiral. It's like watching a giant underwater spiral being drawn across the icy landscape. As incredible as these discoveries were, they raised even more questions. Existing models of glacial melt couldn't explain the complexity of the patterns Ran had found. The data collected by Ran gave scientists a new way of looking at the dynamics beneath the ice, a perspective that could lead to breakthroughs in predicting how ice shelves will behave in a warming world. But the excitement didn't last long. Just when the team thought they had uncovered the secrets of the Dotson ice shelf, disaster struck. In early 2024, Ran was sent on another mission, this time to explore the Thwaites Glacier, a giant ice sheet ominously nicknamed the Doomsday Glacier because of its potential to raise global sea levels by over 11 feet if it collapses. It was Ran's second trip to Thwaites, and it was supposed to be the most important one yet. The submarine dove beneath the glacier's ice, mapping its underside for the first time. The data sent back from Ran revealed alarming signs of melting, driven by warm ocean currents. But then, just as suddenly as it had begun, Ran's transmission stopped. No distress signals, no final transmission. One moment, it was sending back crucial data, and the next, it was gone. Ran had vanished without a trace beneath the ice, swallowed by the abyss. Search teams scoured the area with helicopters and drones, but no sign of the submarine emerged from the glacier's grasp. With the likelihood of Ran resurfacing intact extremely low, the team was left with more questions than answers. Was Ran trapped in the ice? Did it fall victim to a powerful underwater current? Or could it have collided with something unexpected? The disappearance of Ran was a huge loss for the research team. But despite the mystery, the data it gathered over the course of its missions provided invaluable insights into how ice shelves are melting and how the ocean is interacting with the glaciers. The research team at the University of Gothenburg is now planning to send a new submarine on a similar mission to continue the work Ran started. The stakes are high. If ice shelves like Dotson and Thwaites continue to melt at an accelerated pace, the consequences for global sea levels could be catastrophic. But thanks to Ran's groundbreaking discoveries, scientists now have a better chance of understanding what's happening beneath the ice. We may soon learn things about our planet we never thought possible. And who knows, The next submarine to venture into this frozen frontier might uncover even more secrets than we can imagine. If you are a curious person, give us the opportunity to entertain and surprise you by liking and subscribing.